Welcome back here at the Automechanika 2022. Welcome back here at ZF Aftermarket. In the following minutes, we would like to get more information about the ZF Pro Academy. Next to me is Claudia Lücke, Head of Product Excellence. It's a great pleasure to have you here.
Thank you very much, Ilka.
All right, so Claudia, I would like to know, what is the ZF Pro Academy?
Hello and welcome also from my side. The Pro Academy is the idea to give a one-stop shop offer to our customers for any kind of training. To guide you through the presentation and to give you more insights about the Pro Academy, we prepared 3 questions. What is the ZF Pro Academy? What is it for you? And what are the next steps? So let's start and get right into it.
Okay, and what does this mean for dealers and workshops?
From next year on, in 2023, the ZF Pro Academy, the new integrated training academy, will start operation. So it combines the training programs of ZF Aftermarket and WAPCO Academy. It offers many learning opportunities for interested parties from the automotive industry to get ready for the next generation mobility. As you know, the automotive industry is undergoing a technical transformation towards electrification and digitization. This means for dealers and workshops, their employees, they must learn how to master a lot of new topics in the upcoming years. The Pro Academy will be your partner in this technology transformation. That's why we bundle all training competencies under one roof and create a wide range of training.
That sounds interesting. Which vehicle types will be affected?
The Pro Academy will offering training around all kinds of vehicles, like passenger cars, truck, trailer, bus, autonomous shuttle. To put it in concrete terms, our customers can attend training courses on driveline, chassis, brake and steering technology, vehicle electrics and electronics, as well as high voltage training. The offer includes modern, digital, hybrid and face-to-face learning formats. In creating new training content, we use state-of-the-art presentation and gamification tools, as well as virtual reality.
And who can join Pro Academy trainings?
In general, we are offering trainings to all interested customers, as well as to partners, like you have heard before, ProTech and ProService customers. Different learner groups, like mechanics, drivers, and workshop managers, now have access to the complete know-how of ZF as a leading technology provider. In addition, there are further training courses for workshop owners and managers on topics such as business management, sales and service, marketing, and much more. In a nutshell, the Pro Academy brings all diverse training offers under one roof, and our customers will get access to ZF's complete know-how from a single source.
So what is in for me? Why should I attend a training at the Pro Academy?
Good question. One important advantage is the Pro Academy trainings are built on ZF's OE know-how. We are at the pulse of the new technology development in the automotive industry. As you have seen today, many new ZF products will come into the aftermarket. This includes also supporting training content that will come to the market as well. Future topics such as maintenance and repair of autonomously driving passenger vans, work on software-defined vehicles, and troubleshooting with modern diagnostics will be part of Pro Academy training program. Additional reasons to join Pro Academy training are also the Pro Academy is offering a one-stop shop for all aftermarket partners and customers. You will find Pro Academy training locations in more than 60 countries and, of course, in your local language. In doing so, we use innovative and interactive learning methods for the training content development.
And do you have an example?
Yeah, the famous high voltage training, which was mentioned today several times. So ZF offers a high voltage training course for different vehicle types. When we developed the high voltage content structure, we decided to modulate the course. So we combine e-learning components with classroom training. To make safety critical learning content tangible, we developed a virtual reality learning module. In the next few days, at the ZF booth, you can try out and learn how this method works. You would like to experience VR technology, e-learning and classroom training? Please join the demo training on our expert stage. There you can try VR glasses and test the e-learning program on the iPads. For further support, watch for my colleagues with the ZF Pro Academy logo on their polo.
Okay, so what is the key factor for a successful training, Claudia?
Of course, the trainer. He or she is the biggest impact on the successful training. In ZF Aftermarket, more than 100 professional trainers provide training around the globe. If the trainer has professional know-how and good entertainment and training skills, our customer will be able to learn easily. To ensure high training quality, we are constantly improving the trainer skill sets. So, Pro Academy trainer community is ready to train and entertain you.
And what are the next steps?
ZF Pro Academy is working on your success. In 2023, you will see some changes on your customer portal. For example, new training catalogs per country, new training to explain complex aftermarket products and new technologies, and a new convenient online training registration process. In addition, we will start other activities, the rebranding and upgrading of our training locations, integration of new online training formats, and much more. Stay tuned. Please have a regular look on our customer portals.
Yeah, and at the end, why would you recommend choosing the Pro Academy?
To sum it up, a well-trained employee, a motivated employee is a key factor for your business success. We are prepared to support you in qualifying your employees with competencies they need for the upcoming transition on the market. That means you can rely on ZF's know-how and the expertise of the Pro Academy.
All right, thank you so much, Claudia, for representing the ZF Pro Academy. That was our last presentation for today. Enjoy the trade fair and hope to see you soon here at ZF Aftermarket. Bye.